guys, so I'm unboxing my video creator kit and showing it to you right now. This is the Canon G7 Mark II PowerShot. This is the video creator kit. So let's unbox this, guys. So the kit, guys, comes with an HC SanDisk Ultra 32 GB of memory card. I should have bought the 128. This is only 32, but that's okay. And before that, we get this, the Manfrotto Mini Tripod. It's from the compact system camera. And then there is a spare battery. So I saw one of the video, guys, where the vlogger puts a letter to his battery. I think I'm gonna do the same, so I would know if what is used. A, B. So I have two batteries. So the original battery, I'm gonna label it as A. So this is the PowerShot G7X Mark II. It has warranty. So that's the warranty. We'll see later. So this is the getting started guide. I think I'm keeping the box, guys. So this is the Canon. Oh, it has a small battery. Comes with a charger. And then a wire. Wrist. Like a wrist holder. And then, of course, the camera, guys. G7X. G7X. Nakubahan ako. Kasi may break ko. I think there's no battery, of course. So, see, guys, it has a flip screen. Very compact, easy to carry. I was asking the lady between the Rebel T7 Canon and this G7X. And she said this is the popular camera for vloggers. Although the downside is it doesn't have a microphone slot, but the sound quality is already good. And I just have to research how I can use a camera. How I can use a microphone on this one, because the lady said the the lady who was helping me at Best Buy said that some of the vloggers that visit their store has microphone attached to this camera. So this is it, guys. Papa. Papa. Happiness. Happiness overload. I'll be very, very careful, guys, because I didn't get the Geek Squad. The Best Buy was offering warranty with their tech guys. They call it Geek Squad, but it's expensive. It's like $149 for a year or 2 years, I think, and $179 for 3 years. So that's so much, so I can't afford it. So I had to stick to my budget. So I have to take very, very good care of this camera. Right, Ryle?
Yes.
So let's load the battery. Where is the battery? Oh, here. So it has a manual. It's manual. The open, how to open the battery, you have to do it manually. So like that. So close it. So I hope there is a charge on the battery. Oh, there is. So how do we take a photo? I wanna see the cover of Forbes magazine. No memory card. So I have to load the memory card. There's no memory card. So let's load the memory card. Let's turn it off first. And then load the memory card. Flip it back. I have to really, really take good care of this, guys. All the things I never had. Wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, it still has the 80 MBs, 32. So this is 32. Different city every night, oh no, I swear. I hope I'm not boring you guys with my unboxing video.
Guys, you can go out of this video if you want, but I recommend you to watch to the end.
We'll load now, guys, the memory card. It is on the same slot as the battery. That's why I was like, I had to stop the video because I cannot find it, and then manually close it. So now, guys, I'm gonna switch the recording to this camera, or should I? Not sure. Let's just try to take a picture. So turn it on like a favorite song. Oh, we have to set it up first. Set up. So set up. How do we set it up? Set time. What time is it? It's touch screen, guys. So it's 9:29. I don't know how to take the video, guys. I think because it's low battery, it doesn't let me take a video, but we can come back to that later. So let's close this for now. Then we'll charge it. I'll come back to you guys. So I put this in its tripod that comes with a video creator kit, guys. This looks professional. I'm really happy, guys, that I got this already, because I've been struggling to shoot my videos because I bought like a very cheap vlogging set. It was for $19, and after the first week it just broke. So I'm happy that I was able to get this already, and I worked hard for it so I can get a proper vlogging camera and then accessories. This is a nice tripod, guys, the Manfrotto. So I'm just gonna put the wrist holder. It's quite reliable. It's good quality. So. So there you go, guys. Happiness. I'll wake up early tomorrow to get a video, to make a video.